This is never gonna happen. So today we're gonna be doing a beach ready look. Whether you're heading to the pool or to the beach, I can't wait to share all these makeup products that'll give your skin a sun-kissed glow. We're also gonna be testing out a brand new waterproof mascara, and we're gonna do our eyebrows so they don't wash off. Clearly, you see I have no eyebrows. So I can't wait to go from this to this and share all the products with you. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high-end and everything in between. And today it's all about feeling beautiful at the beach. I know I tend not to wear a lot of makeup at the beach, but in case you want to go to lunch or out to dinner afterwards, I found some really good makeup products that I couldn't wait to share with you that will be perfect for poolside or beachside. So let's get into the video. Now we definitely want to start out with sunscreen. That is the last step in your skincare routine, and it's best to apply it before you go to the beach. The sunscreen that I love, and it's no surprise here, is the SUPERGOOP Glow Screen. It has an SPF of 40 and it also doubles as a makeup primer. It leaves your skin glowing and hydrated. It also helps with anti-aging and fine lines. Sunscreen is so paramount anyway, you definitely have to apply it every single day. Heck, I wear it inside the house because you can still get damaging sun rays through the window. Did you know that? Through the window. No, that's not the song. This just provides beautiful coverage. It's a makeup primer as well, and it just provides such a luminous glow. Now, I've already applied my sunscreen. I do want to play up some of my features. Definitely my eyebrows because I have zero eyebrows. And what I found really works, no joke, is the Urban Decay Inked Brow. I did a review on this last year, and I literally had it on for 48 hours. And surprise, surprise, it stayed on. It is kind of clunky with the applicator, I ain't gonna lie, kind of big. So what I like to do with my eyebrows is go ahead and use my favorite Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil to draw in the shape. So let's go ahead and draw in the shape. I'll just fluff them up. What's left of my eyebrows. I love this pencil because it's so slim. It's 1.5 millimeters, and it's so easy to just brush through and draw the shape of your brow. Okay, now that I have the basic shape of my eyebrow mapped out, what I like to do is go in with the Urban Decay Brow Ink. So basically what I like to do is take off as much as I can and make the applicator super flat and thin. And I just like to stroke it, that sounds so wrong, right through here to add more color into my eyebrows. It doesn't really draw on like the strokes of hair, but I find that it really works well in just keeping the color of my eyebrows. Oh no, that looked like a stroke. Okay. And then just take the spoolie and brush it up. Now it is flexible enough where it doesn't dry so quickly where it's permanently tattooed to your face, but it does stay on. It's definitely waterproof. This definitely stays on until you wash it off, but yeah, I find it works well, and as long as I'm getting in the pool or in the water, it will definitely stay on so I still have my eyebrows. Now that my sunscreen is fully absorbed into my complexion, this is probably the best tinted moisturizer with an SPF that I absolutely love that looks natural on the skin. It is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. This just makes my skin look better. It just evens out my complexion and it just provides a beautiful glow. It's so fast and so easy to apply. It doesn't look cakey or makeup-y whatsoever, and it just provides the perfect amount of coverage to make my skin look nice and even. I'm in the shade Alaska, and the formula is a little bit runny, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and put some on. It just provides such beautiful coverage. And I love the smell. I know that's weird, but this is like the perfect shade match for me. I mean, look how easy that goes on. And then I like to take my e.l.f. beauty sponge and just tap it in. And already my skin looks so much better. It evens it out. It looks nice and smooth without being too makeup-y. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And I love the fact that it has an SPF of 30. And you know, honestly, you don't want to spend all morning applying your makeup to go to the beach or to the pool. You want something fast and easy. And I find that this tinted moisturizer provides just that. Blends into my complexion super well, and it just is beautiful. It's totally buildable too. I mean, I love wearing this just out and about. But see how beautifully radiant my skin looks with this? Oh my gosh, and it's just so smoothing and hydrating. I absolutely love it. It's not makeup-y, it's not cakey whatsoever. It just looks beautiful on the skin. Oh my gosh, love it. And I barely used any. So yeah, complexion is done. I do like to go in with a little bit of concealer to brighten my under eye area. And I've actually been really loving the Clinique Even Better concealer. Now, I just like to take a tiny bit right into the corner of my eye, just to brighten up that area, and bring it up, and maybe a little bit here, and where I have redness under my nose. It's kind of a thicker formula, so I like to let it set for a little bit, and then I just take my ring finger and tap it out. And then blend. But it just offers such a beautiful brightening effect. This is not full coverage, but I find that it just blends beautifully with the tinted moisturizer and just offers just enough coverage to brighten up that under eye area. Concealer's on. Look how much it brightened my under eye area. Isn't that beautiful? Soft and dewy and fresh. I love it. Now that I have my tinted moisturizer on and I have my concealer on, let's start bronzing up the face. And we're gonna bronze up with Tower 28's BRONZINO. This is a cream bronzer that just has the most beautiful balmy effect, and it's also infused with skin-loving ingredients. I'm in the shade West Coast, and I like to just take a little bit on my finger and just tap it right above through here where the sun kisses your face, and just tap it in, and it just meshes so well with the tinted moisturizer. It's stunning. I mean, look at the warmth that it's providing. And then I just go in with my IT Cosmetics by Ulta brush and just tap it in, and it just, oh, so pretty. And that hair is pretty too. And then right up through here. But look at that glow. It's so lovely. And that's all you need. I mean, isn't that beautiful? Now, I like to put my bronzer a little bit higher up. That way it's how the sun is going to hit your face. So it just provides that beautiful glow. But it just goes on so easy. Okay. Look how quick and easy that was. I absolutely love it. You can also use this on your eyes. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today. What I love to do is just tap it all over the lid. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. I mean, this is all I'm going to bring to the beach. Isn't that gorgeous? It kind of just ties your whole look together. It's hydrating, it's beautiful, it actually stays in place. I'm gonna line my waterline so my eyes can pop a little bit. And I absolutely love the L'Oreal Lid Liner Mechanical Pencil. You guys, this is so good. You apply it, it doesn't budge, it doesn't smudge, and this is perfect for those days at the beach or by the poolside. So I like to just go under my waterline and apply it like so. And it's comfortable on the eyes, and it just adds that little pop under your lash line, so it'll make your lashes look even thicker once you apply mascara. Now, let's talk about mascara. Oh my gosh. If you're going to the beach or you're going to the pool, yes, obviously you want to use waterproof mascara. And I have been on the fence about waterproof mascara for years because every formula I have tested out, it makes my lashes brittle. And since I don't have a lot of eyelashes, being of the mature age, I tend to steer clear of them because once you remove it, I find that, you know, some lashes will fall out or they become brittle and fall off. But I was so pleasantly surprised when I started using the COVERGIRL Clump Crusher. I think this is new. I'm not sure, but it's waterproof and I actually really love it. And it's super easy to take off. And let me show you the wand. It's one of those silicone wands that's got a slight curve to it. Now I'm going to start at the lash band and wiggle up. This is such a good formula that does not clump and it holds a curl. Look at that. Holy smokes. Can you believe it? And I just picked this up at Walmart at the very last minute. I was like, oh, I want to test out. I know I need to get a waterproof mascara. I don't know which kind to try, but the green, I think it was the green, and the fact that it's called the Clump Crusher. I mean, I certainly don't like clumps. Definitely lengthening. I'm super impressed with the Clump Crusher. Yeah, definitely love this. Okay, for cheeks, I just want a pinch of color like my mom just pinched me in the cheeks. I've been really loving the Tower 28 Beach Please. Come on, Beach Please. This is perfect for the beach. It has such fantastic pigment. It stays all day. It's just so creamy and buttery. Look at the pigment on this. And I'm in the shade Happy Hour. I'm going to take a little bit off the back of my hand and just apply it through here. And that's pretty much all you need. I mean, it's so pigmented. It's beautiful. That perfect, fun pop of color in Happy Hour. Isn't that pretty? It kind of makes my cheeks feel even more plumped up. But it's such a great formula. You can also use this on your lips as well. And you know what? Let's go ahead and just talk about quick and easy. Just tap a little bit on your lips for that stain. Okay, fabulous. Now I am going to put a little bit of setting powder under my eyes just to set my concealer and set everything in place. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my Shiseido self-synchronizing, self-refreshing powder foundation. And yes, this is waterproof. I swear by this. I did a review on this and I actually poured water on my face and amazingly it stayed. So this is the perfect powder foundation if you want to just set under your eyes. That's waterproof. Love this stuff. Waterproof, fantastic. Now the last product that I love that I think is perfect for the beach is CITYLIPS by City Beauty. This is their plumping lip gloss. It is so pretty. Now I have the shade Sun Diego. Don't you love the play on words? But it's such a perfect summer coral color and it plumps my lips at the same time. It hydrates your lips. It creates a smoother lip. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, stunning. So I hope you enjoyed my beach ready face. I think with all the makeup products that we explored, tested, and tried, we're ready for the sun, we're ready for the pool, and we're ready for the beach. Our eyebrows aren't going to go anywhere. We have a fantastic waterproof mascara that's not going to clump and won't give you raccoon eyes, and just a beautiful tinted moisturizer with an SPF of 30 that just evens out your complexion without looking cakey or overdone. But in my next upcoming video, I'm going to be doing a couple of collaborations with other fellow YouTubers, and I'm also going to be testing out some more skincare. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you'd be a part of my family. And for foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. And for skincare reviews, check out the playlist up here. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. This is never gonna happen.